In this program, we are performing arithmetic operations. That means we will be performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus on two variables. So let's first write a comment here, arithmetic operations. This is just a comment, it will not execute. So let me take first variable as num1, which is of integer type. I am not initializing it, and similarly I will take another variable num2 like this. As you can see, num1 and num2 are both of integer type. I can club them together in a single line using a comma operator. I have to remove int from the second line and bring the second line adjacent to the first line like this. In order to store the result of my operations, I will declare a third variable. Here I will write /n, enter first number, and after that I will take the input from the user. Similarly, I will write here /n, enter second number. Again I will take the input from the user. Now let's begin performing our operations. So the first operation is addition. So let me store the result of adding num1 and num2 in my variable result, and then I will print it. /n, addition of the two numbers is equal to, and here I can club two statements, output statements together like this. In the next line I will write num1 minus num2, cout /n, subtraction of the two numbers is equal to result. You know that variables often change their value during the execution of the program. So here is an example that result is the variable which is storing num1 plus num2, that is the sum of two numbers in this line, whereas here it is storing the difference of these two numbers. So you may change the value of a variable as many times as you like throughout your program. Moving on, this time I will store num1 multiplied by num2, then I will type here /n, multiplication of the two numbers is equal to result. After this I will divide num1 by num2 and print that the quotient of the division of the two numbers is equal to result. And finally I will perform the modulus operation by typing num1 %symbol num2. So this line will also divide num1 by num2, but this time I will receive remainder as output. Let me put /n here and here also. Remainder of the division is equal to, we'll put double quotation mark and write here result. After that return 0, and that is the end of my program. Let's save it and run it. So save as, let's say arithmetic, save and execute. Click on compile and run. This program is error free and it is now asking me to enter my first number. Let's say my first number is 20 and second number is 4. So here the addition of the two numbers is 24, subtraction of the two numbers is 20 minus 4, Multiplication is 20 multiplied by 4. Quotient of the division is 5 because 4 5s are 20, and it is a complete division, so remainder is equal to 0.